Hey guys, so today we're going to take and print out something that a friend of mine over on Thingiverse came out with. He goes by Mr. Tech, and it's called a credit card table stabilizer. I've been going to a few restaurants here and there where the tables have always been kind of uneven, and you always end up having to fold up a napkin or something to stick underneath the leg. But in this case, it's a pretty cool idea because what it is it prints in the shape of a credit card, so you can stick it in your wallet, and then you snap out the pieces and place it on one of the table legs to even it out. So I'm going to go ahead and print this out and give it a shot and see how it works. So I'll see you at the end of the time lapse. Okay guys, it took about 20 minutes to print, so let's see if we can get this off of there without ripping the tape up, and without damaging the connection points on this. Hey, it came off without tearing the tape, sweet. And as you can see, it is all connected, and it is about the thickness of a credit card. So I'm going to pop that in my wallet and take it to a restaurant, and let's see how it works. Okay guys, so I took it and went to a couple restaurants in the last 2 days, and I have yet to find a table that was to the point where I need to put anything underneath it. But I've actually had this in my wallet for the last 2 days, and it's kind of bent a little bit because of the shape of my wallet, the credit cards and everything in there, it just kind of takes the shape of the wallet, which is no big deal. So now the question is, will it perform as advertised? And as you can see, it breaks away very easily. There are some strings to it. It's no big deal. I mean, this is something you're going to pretty much be leaving behind anyway. So the whole gist of it is that, I don't know if you can see those ridges on it, but it's made where you can take and place it underneath something to take up the slack, you know, make it where it's not wiggling as much. Or you can take and fold it over onto itself to make it larger. And of course you can fold it again however many times you need to fold it over to place it under wherever you need to place it under in order for it to take up the slack. So that's a pretty good idea. And something you can carry around in your wallet, and if you need it, you've got it. It sure beats having to use napkins or something like that that's going to just squish down. So that's actually a pretty neat idea. Anyway, I'll put a link to the model in the video description, and that's going to do it for this one. Have a good one. Take care. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. I sure appreciate it. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. Don't forget to ring the bell too. That way you'll be notified when a video comes out. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, please click on my Patreon page over here. You can support the channel from there. If you'd like to check out one of my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you're going to love them. Oh yeah, you're going to like them. Have a great day and take care. Bye.